Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video we're going to be talking about why I believe Tesla stock is heading back to $180. Today there was a decent sell-off. Makes me kind of happy because I want the price to go down further so I can buy in cheap. So it makes me happy that the stock price is going down. But I believe that around the July earnings report, I think Tesla stock will explode up to the upside, but that's just my opinion. I think once earnings come out, I think that will change the direction of the stock. But as of the moment, we're still in bear territory. If you look at the MACD, it's starting to turn red. So my assumption is it's going to be red, 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 and then it's going to dip into negative territory. So the MACD is going to change the direction, and by early July, we could see Tesla potentially be $180 or lower. But that's just my opinion. That's what I see as what technical charts are telling me. And then if we look at the technicals trading view, as we can see, the 1 hour chart is telling us sell, sell, and oscillator says buy. 4 hours a little bit more positive, but when we look at 1 day, it's starting to dip to the negative, and then 1 week super strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, sell. And then we look at 1 month, it's still pretty bad, sell, sell, and strong sell for moving averages. So clearly we're still in a downtrend. The bears still have control of the stock, and I believe that this stock price is heading down to 180. Just my opinion though, even though Elon Musk is saying, oh, sales are great, everything's good, it doesn't matter because I think the stock price is still going down. Similar to Madman, Madman came out saying we're no longer getting sued. And what happens? The stock went up a little bit and then went back down. The stock may continue to go back down and still touch 259. Even though they're not getting sued anymore, it still doesn't matter because Madman is still on a downtrend. The stock could still drop down further. I think it's going to be volatile for a while until the cannabis market looks like it's starting to rally. Then Madman will rally with the market, but at the moment, I think Madman is going to be volatile between $2.50 and $3. It could go above $3, but I don't think it's gonna go back to $4 anytime soon. Not until the entire market looks very positive. But that's just my opinion. We'll see if that's gonna be the scenario going forward. Right now in the pre-market, everything looks good. Trump is trying to pump the market by talking, China, wants to make a deal with us. Right now, there are some negative videos on CNBC for Tesla. There was one negative video. No, not that one. There was one, but it doesn't matter. Facebook, there was some interesting video on Facebook, big tech at risk. Facebook sinking back into bear market after email revealed Zuckerberg knew about privacy issues. And Facebook, I don't know if Facebook's going to trade down or up, but Facebook does have a $500 billion market cap. So if Facebook goes down, I think that's going to sink the entire market because Facebook is a big chunk of the market, unfortunately. And, Apple also has some negative sentiment on them right now. So, market-wise, say Apple is a stock just did something that it hasn't done since the .com bubble burst. Negative article on Apple too. Canopy growth, and Apple does have a really high market cap of almost $900 billion. So yeah, that's, I think the market will sink, could sink in the next week. But Trump is gonna do whatever he can to try to prop the market up. In my opinion, he's gonna come out, keep saying China and other stuff, and hope that the market goes up. Canopy growth, pretty after hours, not really doing much, kind of neutral. Aurora is down 4 cents or 2 cents after hours. Aurora is still holding up very well, considering that the entire cannabis market is kind of down. Tilray had a little nice swing up today, and it's up 14 cents after hours. I have call options on Tilray, and I do believe, like I said, I still do believe that Tilray will go to $100 US eventually, but that's just my opinion. I could totally be wrong, and maybe Tilray will just float around 45, between $50 to $35 for the next forever. Who knows? Kron is up 5 cents after hours. If you caught Kron when it hit 13.58, you would have made bank right now, or you would have made a decent coin, because Kron went up 28% from June 3rd to all the way to June 10th. You would have made nice little return, but too late now. Beyond, see, like I said, Beyond has billionaires moving the stock. That's the only way why this stock can go, from $125 all the way to, almost $150, pull back a little bit, $142. I'm still very bullish on Beyond Meat, and, I'm just going to be buying call options every time it dips really bad. So, that's my plan moving forward. I was positive on my call option when Beyond Meat was at $149, but as it dropped, I'm not in the money anymore. I was making money, but not anymore. Qualcomm is up a penny after hours. I think Qualcomm's gonna take a big hit if the tech sector takes a hit. Like if Apple takes a hit, if Nvidia's already took a big hit today, down 3%, but pre-market it's up 20 cents. But I believe that if these big tech companies keep selling off, I believe Qualcomm's gonna get dragged down with it. That's just my opinion. And AMD holding up pretty good, but I still think AMD is gonna, all the news has been released on AMD, and usually, the new, sell the news, buy the rumor. Now the news is out, the stock's gonna go down, and then earnings is gonna come around, and I believe that's gonna help the stock price go up again. But that's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh my god, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. I don't know what else to talk about. Let's look at some of the the U.S. cannabis stock. Harvest Health did decent today. Kira. Let's see what Kira did. Kira stock, trading sideways a little bit. Acreage Holdings, did pretty good today, considering that Canopy was down. It still did pretty good. We'll see if this thing can go to $20 US. I hope so. That would be great if it does. We'll see if it actually happens. How about Liberal Health Science? I think Liberal Health Science. Liberal Health Science down to 60 cents. That's crazy. Like I'm saying, I still think this is just an opportunity. They just announced that they have a total. They just announced the 15th dispensary. They are only literally 10 dispensaries away from True Eve. You know, I think the next quarterly report numbers is not going to be that great, but the one after that would be pretty nice because that's included with 14 dispensaries and dry flower and everything. So, you know, I'm thinking, you know, this is just an opportunity, long term, short term. It could continue to go down. This is the lowest it has ever been, 60 cents. It has never been 60 cents before. You know, well, this does not count. This wasn't when the stock was trading, but the stock has never been 60 cents before. So I think there's a possibility that this stock could go all the way down to 50 cents. Does it hurt? Yes, it does hurt. It hurts so much to see my money go down for liberal health science, but that's okay because that just makes it an opportunity to buy more. Can't back down now. You know, have to. You know, I'm thinking that this stock could drop down further. Like Madman, I think Madman could drop down further. I am attempting to swing trade Madman right now. So, you know, that's crazy. Anyways, I think this is the 10-minute video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.